Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to display real-time network speed indicator on Samsung phone. So let's get right into it. Before heading over to it, just head over to your settings and go to connections. And I'm heading over to my mobile networks. And here goes, and there you can also head over to more connection settings. And as you know, my Android is currently operating on Android 14, so that option is currently turned off in Android 14. But if you're using Android 13 in your Android 13 operating system on your Samsung phone, then the option of real-time network speed indicator will be right here in this section. And yeah, let me show you my Android option and go to about phone, and there goes. You can see I'm currently using Android 14, and there goes, you can see I'm currently using Android 14. And yeah, that's why there is no visible option of it in right here. But if you are using Android 13, you can avail it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.